how to fix a Roblox error during the startup of Roblox. So whenever you try to start your Roblox player, and sometimes you might face the error during the startup. So in order to fix those problems, there's some of the ways that I'm going to teach you today. The first way is to hold on the Windows key and press R. After that, your registry editor will open up, and inside the registry editor, type %local app data % again. Click on enter, and after that, go to the temp folder right here, scroll down and search for Roblox. Now in this Roblox section, right click on it and make sure that you delete the Roblox. You don't need to worry about the settings because no data will be lost if you delete this local app data of Roblox. Now the next option is to go to a browser from where you install your Roblox. Go to the settings, go to privacy and security, go to cookies and other site data, scroll down, go to see all site data and permissions. After that, in the search bar right here, search for Roblox. Now since I don't have any data, since I already cleared my data, I don't see any results here, but you should find your Roblox result here after you search Roblox in the search bar. So you do that, you'll have the trash icon right beside it. Make sure to click on the trash icon and delete the Roblox data. Now if these measures don't work out, then right click on the Roblox player option right here, go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure to click on disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. Make sure to check these two options. After you do that, click on apply. Now after you have applied these measures, then make sure to restart your PC. Now if you have tried these options but it still doesn't work out, then the next option you can try out is to uninstall and reinstall your Roblox. To uninstall your Roblox, go to your settings. After that, go to apps, click on install apps, scroll down to Roblox, click on the 3-dot icon right beside the Roblox option and make sure to click on uninstall. After that, Roblox and all its components will be deleted from your PC. And in order to install your Roblox again, simply go to this site right here, roblox.com, and click on download now. After that, an exe file will be downloaded, and after you run the exe file, then you can reinstall your Roblox again. That should pretty much fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then it's pretty sure that the problem's with the internet. So in order to reset your internet, what you can do is go to the search bar right here and search for CMD. Make sure to run the command prompt as administrator, and inside the command prompt right here, type the following command: ip-config /flush DNS. Click on enter, and after that, type another command, which is netsh int ip reset. Now after you pass this command inside the command prompt, then your network settings must be reset, which might help you with the problem you're facing with Roblox during the startup. It's fine if these measures work out, but if they don't, then the next option to try out is to go to control panel and change your DNS address. In order to change your DNS address, go to network and sharing center. After that, click on the access type connections right here, go to properties and click on internet protocol version 4 right here. Click on use the following DNS server addresses. Make sure to enter the preferred DNS server as 8888 and alternate DNS server as 8844. So after you change the DNS server address, then the problem you're facing with Roblox startup should be fixed. So those were some methods you can try out in order to fix the Roblox error during the startup of Roblox. Hopefully I was able to help you out. Thank you very much.